Welcome to Appspotr Academy. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Check Push Permission logic block, which helps you verify if push notifications are enabled on a user's device, ensuring your app can effectively deliver updates and messages. Imagine an app that needs to send critical updates to its users, such as weather alerts or important reminders. Before sending these notifications, the app should verify that it has the necessary permissions. The Check Push Permission logic block can be used to ensure that the app can notify users without interruptions. Now, let's go through the steps to add and configure the Check Push Permission logic block in your workflow. Drag the Check Push Permission logic block into your workflow to integrate it into your application's logic. Next, connect the Check Push Permission block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the permission check when it occurs. Click on the Check Push Permission block to open its configuration settings. Here's the key configuration step. Set the outputs, which will indicate whether the device has push notification permissions, true or false. Finally, set up toast messages for on success and on error scenarios. These messages will inform users whether the permission check was successful or if there was an issue.